Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann. I'm the designated broker with Position Realty. Today I'm here on my new listing at 7518 West Cholla Street in Peoria. It's just south of Cactus on 75th Avenue. The property's been fully remodeled and it's currently for sale right now, listed, and so we're going to be doing a walkthrough with the property, a virtual tour. So let's go take a look. The house was freshly painted on the outside and also has a brand new roof. Walk into the foyer here and it opens up to the large great room area. It's got new light fixtures throughout. And the kitchen has quartz countertops, and there's a tile backsplash and brand new stainless steel appliances that nobody has ever used. It has a bay window where you could put a dining room or a dining table for an eating kitchen area, and also has a 3 to 4 person bar, breakfast bar. You can put some bar stools up at. And all the appliances are Whirlpool. Over here, that's a pantry as well. So you could have a formal dining room and a living area in the great room here. It's got a very large open great room. What I like about it is it has lots of windows. It adds lots of natural light to the space. And off the great room here on the side is the master bedroom. And then the floors and the bathrooms, they have penny tiles, and it's complemented with the vanity. It goes with the white and the brown and the white marble countertop, or the vanity top. And then a private toilet room and a very nice walk-in closet here. Goes back here on the back part as well. And then on the other side of the house are the other 2 bedrooms. There's a second bathroom. It's got the penny tiles as well as the wood-looking vanity front with the marble countertop. And then here's one of the other bedrooms. And here's the other one here. And you have a coat closet here. This room has some shelves that go up along the ceiling. You can use this as an office, or you could store stuff up there, or decorations. Off on the side is the laundry room. It is plumbed for gas or electric for your dryer. And over here on the side is a 2-car garage. It's got some shelves up on the sides for extra storage, and also comes with a brand new hot water heater. Well, that concludes our virtual tour of 7518 West Cholla Street. If you like the videos that I film, please remember to subscribe below. If you have any questions about this listing, please feel free to give me a call. Under the more information tab or the description for the video, my contact information will be there on all of my social media as well. So please stay tuned for the next listing video, and thank you for watching this one. And please stay tuned for the next one.